See what took most of the morning to get apart? And to get this out was really unique. Had to pull the bottom shock mount out, and they're held in with snap rings so we can get the spring off. Still haven't looked up the part number on this one. There's Height's name. I don't know if you can make that out. Hot Rod Shop. Okay. No part number on here. Not that I can see. Shock still works. Still good. Should be. It's not that old. But I can't tell the part number on here. Alright, I'm going to have to look this thing over. I have to probably call George and find out where it is. Alright. So to get the shock out, what I had to do, okay, A-frames down, lower A-frames down, sway bar is disconnected, tie rod end's disconnected, and that was just to get the shock off. So, there's all the tools and all the hardware. So, that one's done. Now we're on this side. More in a minute. Oh, Jimmy, here are the springs. Give you a few dimensions. I'll send you two of them. Send you the two front ones. How's that? They're all the same, but okay, hold on, guys. Okay, so what, about 9 inches tall, 3.5 inches in diameter. Okay. And he said this is over a 300-pound spring. And I weighed myself this morning and I'm 229. Oh man, that's not taken. Okay, enough fun. There's the springs, Jimmy. All right, guys. When I get more, I'll bring you back later. Afternoon, tubers. Neighbors moving out across the street. Okay. Oh, good. I get to break in new neighbors. Started at about 9, 10, somewhere around in there, and that's time. And we got the two front shocks off. And it was a bear, trying to remember how everything all went together and breaking out the snap ring pliers because of the snap rings that held those in on the bottom through here. Yeah. And to get the shock and springs out, let me get down here. I had to drop both A-frames. So while it's up here, another thing I need to do is adjust the emergency brakes. That's right down there. Here, we'll scoot down and show you. It's the setup I came up with, and it works pretty well. I had to re-drill and tap that when I made it, so yeah. But it works pretty well. I like it. It does what it's supposed to do. So yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna, for tomorrow, we'll do the rears, and they'll be a lot easier because all we got to do is sit there and support the body, put the 4x4 slit on the pinch weld, and then jack stand underneath it, and then support that. Then let the rear end hang a little bit, and just barely let the floor jack hold the rear end up. Take out the two bolts, pull the shocks, and you're done with it. So that's where I'm at. Hang on. Yeah. I did, when I shot the hood. Now this is clear. I don't know if I showed you guys this. If not, it's a repeat. But this is what I shot the hood 2 weeks ago. and I was spilling it around. That's the other thing I was doing. Just as it was setting up, I was rotating the cup like that, and also the cup sat there and it did that too. But if you look at the clear, 2 o'clock. It's supposed to be a Firebird. Okay. If you look at the clear, you can see the ring I had going on it. So yeah. All right. Enough of that nonsense. So for now, I'm going to clean up the garage. Then I'm going to get cleaned up. I got a little dirty. And then I'll go ahead and load this up. Tomorrow will be the rears, and I'll do a video on that. But for right now, I've about had enough fun for today. And I'm going to go in the house. So you guys take care. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. You all have a good Saturday. Later.